Natalia. This is Natalia.
This is Alexandra. We're two filmmakers living in Brooklyn.
To live in this expensive city, we've both had many different jobs and worn many different hats.
Okay. Thanks. Bye.
We started thinking about the most stigmatized, mysterious, and hardest jobs that women do to get by.
What would it be like to live as these women? We decided to travel to different cities and see for ourselves. This is Every Woman.
We're from New York. Yeah, we're staying at this motel on the side of the road.
Which one?
It's by this trucker club called Club 203.
Oh, yeah.
Have you heard anything about that place?
The 203.
Yeah.
Yeah, a few things.
What? Tell me all the gossip.
I've heard that the girls are very, very rough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think it's dangerous there?
Well, there's been rumors that there's been a lot of drugs up there and some prostituting up there.
So we decided to come here and go try to work at Club 203 for a week.
Oh, is that what you're gonna do?
And we're gonna see if we can do it.
Have you ever done this before?
Mm-mm.
This is all new. I don't know, I'm worried for you guys.
If you were my daughter, I'd beat your ass. Just be careful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi. We want to apply for a job here.
Okay. Where are you ladies from?
New York.
New York?
Yeah.
And what are you doing in Podung, middle of nowhere?
Good question.
I'll go over a contract with you real quick. It's pretty straightforward. No drugs, no prostitution, no general bullshit. So here we see mostly truck drivers and they spend a lot of time on the road. And in doing so, it's obviously a pretty lonely life, and conversation goes a long way, but you'll find quite a few that are interested in a little more attention.
Okay, well, we can start tonight.
Yeah, we'll start tonight.
Do you think we can do this?
Well, someone on the internet, when I read a review of this place, was like, this is a place where strippers go to die.
Yeah, and we're sleeping in a motel that's literally in the parking lot of the club.
What do you think?
Yeah, that looks good.
Now, if I wear them, do I have to take them off?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Want me to hold the hair?
Yeah. It's a long one. I've been pretty nervous the last few days. I keep waking up in the middle of the night about dancing tonight.
Yeah? You having bad dreams?
I don't have bad dreams. I just think I'm having anxiety about it and I have to keep reminding myself why we decided to do this.
I wonder how some of these girls are gonna react because we're taking away their business.
Yeah.
I feel like in a way this environment brings that out, like all the dark sides. Because there's a lot of competition, you know, and like our history as being women, being brought up to think that there's not enough to go around, and that we're dependent on men for these things.
Yeah.
Hi, pretty ladies.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. You working here tonight?
I am, I'm taking a break. It's kind of slow.
I'm Georgia.
Hi, Georgia, Daisy.
Nice to meet you. This is Dakota. Hi.
Hi, sweetie.
We're
Nice to meet
visiting
you.
from out of town and we're going to be dancing here this week.
Welcome. Have you danced before?
Never. We're a little bit nervous, but
Don't be nervous. Just be yourself and have fun.
thank you.
Good luck.
See you inside.
See you inside.
Bye.
Bye.
As we say at the 203, welcome back to hell. It's a lot cooler than we thought it'd be. So cheers.
Cheers.
Be a big girl. Big girl panties are on. Yes. Nice.
Good afternoon, drivers. This is your future bartender Payne.
Coming at you live from Club 203. Well, boys, you know the routine. Look for those green flashing lights and you'll find the party.
Either one of you girls give good massages? You're shaking no, like no, you can't do it.
I think that's,
She's growing like a possum beating shit over there, so that means she can't do it. I just don't like flossing while I eat.
Why would you floss while you eat?
What does that tell you? That means the girl better be shaved.
We're just artists trying to make it work. You know what I'm saying?
I don't give a fuck.
Do you like to floss while you suck?
I don't have to fucking sit there, fucking put more fucking taxes, and then fucking screw me over every year.
You girls are young, full of time.
Of Dakota and Georgia. Somebody make some noise! What's their names? Dakota and Georgia. What's with? Does it matter? That's their own name. Step on over and get closer look at it.
Took a shower and realized my knees are all beat up. Look at it. There's like a huge bruise here.
They look really bad.
It's so awful.
$47, $48, $49. We made $49 dancing on our first night.
For paying the club and then paying out the DJ and the doorman. It's like ridiculous. We're barely making any money.
I just don't know how those girls deal with like that every day, you know?
How long have you been doing this?
Since 85.
Got a wife?
Yep. 33 years.
What's the secret?
Being gone.
Last night was our first night.
What, really?
Yeah.
You'd never worked in a club before?
No.
No?
No.
Interesting. Did you guys make pretty good money then? Or?
No. No.
But we didn't do any lap dances or anything.
Yeah.
So.
We definitely didn't make enough to be, you know, just like living out here and paying for gas and food and stuff.
So you have to start doing lap dances.
I'm scared.
Hi, Daisy.
I love your outfit.
Good to see you.
So when did you start dancing? Like, when was that?
It was a week after my 41st birthday, and I thought, how am I gonna make money to just jump in my car with my dogs and go? I had no clue what I was even getting myself into. And honestly, it's brutal. I experienced what I call the new girl dancer drama like you wouldn't believe. Got my head punched in, my chunk of my hair pulled out before.
By one of the girls?
Mm-hmm. It has lots to do with insecurities, girls freaking out like, oh no, there's a new girl, you know.
We wonder if like the girls were talking about us at all.
I assure you they were ladies.
Yeah.
I mostly have a lot of compassion for these girls. They haven't gotten to that point where they've learned to just appreciate and love themselves exactly how they are.
Right.
This isn't necessarily the environment that encourages that philosophy. So what do you think it's about? Like when you go in, what's in your mind? Like
the way that the men are looking at you just makes me really uncomfortable. And
It's weird when like they just like stare at you and they hold the money, like $1.
we're talking about some fragile egos here sometimes. Maybe some of these guys are trying to work out their own insecurities there. See, the thing is, I actually enjoy it. I want to be face to face with one person, and I want to get in and I want to find out what's going on. So you'll see me looking for guys who really want someone who's going to give them their attention, which someone may not have done that for years, for all I know. Some of these are guys that probably have never actually had a real intimate experience with a woman, and so in that sense, I'm glad I am compassionate. And hope that maybe somehow it maybe help them be less shy.
My girl, don't lie to me. Tell me where you sleep last night. In the pines, where the sun never shines, I would shiver.
who was your longest relationship?
My high school sweetheart.
How many years?
Not even 2 years, just under 2 years. I mean, I've never been married, I have no kids. I've had boyfriend after boyfriend after boyfriend. And yeah.
Do you get lonely out here?
A little bit. I do miss having people just to get together and hang out with.
Hi, I'm Georgia. I'm Mocha. Oh my god, my hands feel so dirty after having them all over the stage.
The nasty pole.
It feels like maybe no one ever cleans it.
So terrible.
Will you talk to me about my dance a little bit? I just want to hear your opinion.
Yeah, you guys are pretty good.
Really?
How do you do the butt move? You move your thighs, then you can move the booty.
Is this it?
Shake your thighs like you finna go in a seizure. There you go, you moving it. I bet you moving it. Let's feel. Little booty chip, moving, girl, it's moving.
You know what? Like, all the guys, the creepy guys came and talked to me last night. Not the creepy ones, a few creepy ones. One guy was just like, just pulls up next to the bar.
What did he look like?
He looked bad. He had no teeth. And all I said was like, do you want to fuck? I was like, no. Nobody asked me if I wanted to fuck.
For me to do this kind of work, I find it to be really hard because like you never know which person is gonna like try like stick their hand in your underwear, you know?
That's why you slap their ass when they try to, and you make them pay you some extra goddamn money.
Have you slapped people in the face for doing
Girl,
it?
yes.
Yeah.
Plenty of times. Through
Yeah.
they drink in their face, some
You
more
have.
shit. Yes. You
What
got
happened?
to. Nothing, because they already know they're not supposed to do that. You know, so when you do something, you gotta accept the consequences that come with it. So,
Do you like think about doing other things too, or do you?
yeah, kind of want to own my own business. Hair, some type of cosmetology, daycare that works with, you know what I mean?
How long do you see yourself working there?
Not forever, girl. I can't do that shit forever.
So where do we buy some shoes here?
There's a little store out here called Stumps and Threads.
What kind do you like?
Kind of like the all clear, I think.
I think those are too tall for me.
You want something like this?
Yeah. I mean, I'm just like afraid I'm gonna fall on my face.
Try it on.
Let's try it. Can we try one of these?
Last night, like, I think we made like what, $20 a piece or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not.
That's more than what I made, girl.
Oh, really? Last night
Really?
was bad for you too. Okay.
No one was tipping on stage.
At all.
No. I'll do this at 6. Thank you.
No, why don't you just get like one of these or something? Yeah.
Sure. Or you could do a different
These
color.
are the best sellers. They're low in the front and in the back. So they're,
Right.
these are low.
So you show some crack.
Those are the kinds that I wear.
This is what you wear. How much are they?
These are $7.50.
Okay.
So is that going to be all for you ladies?
Yes.
All right. We'll see if this brings in the big bucks.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you.
Can I get you girls to take a topless shot in front of my truck so I can send to my son?
Did that guy want us to take our tops off?
Yeah, for 50 cents to the sun.
How old is your son?
16.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man, if I seen him and shot him from out in New Mexico, pretty girls with some boobies out.
I like your
Did you see my
sticker
sign?
here. Boobies make me smile.
Some of these guys are fucking lunatics.
I know.
You carry mace or anything bullshit like that?
You gotta get some mace. Yeah.
Well, you gotta get some. You should already had some.
I know.
Don't
Do any of the
worry.
guys carry guns and stuff?
I carry guns. I carry 2 guns.
Carry 2 guns. Can you show me?
Pocket protection. A lot of the places we go are not very safe.
I'm blind in my right eye.
How did that happen?
At 18 years of age, I got drunk. I woke up at the Marine Corps Recruit Depot in San Diego.
Wow.
Enlisted. Next thing I know, I wake up in Vietnam. I'm a pacifist and I come back with 112 confirmed kills. I can't handle it. I sit down one day with a bottle of wild turkey and a .357 setting on the table. I drink 3 fingers, I put 1 bullet in the pistol, I spin the cylinder and it goes click. I drink 3 fingers, I put a second bullet in the cylinder, I spin it, it went click. I pour 3 fingers, I drink 3 fingers, I put the third bullet in it, it went off. I was found 7 hours and 39 minutes after I shot myself and was still alive. I woke up 6 months later.
Oh, thank you.
Your tresses need not stand up on film. Females don't realize that a man can make a slave out of them with just 2 pressure points on their body. Those pressure points being, now I have captivated, if I were to go in semicircles, your ovaries, your uterus, and your heart. All we contact are auras. If I were to touch the shield of your aura, it's a way of having intimate contact to where you feel my heat and I feel yours without having sexual contact. I was born a 17th century Celtic priest. I have not been allowed to touch myself or be touched by someone else in a phallic situation. I am a virgin down here.
Oh.
I am not a virgin here. I enjoy the beauty of other women. Do I enjoy, pardon my touch, their touch? Yes. Do I enjoy their smell? Yes. Do I enjoy their souls? Yes.
Okay, well, start shaking something. Let's see what you can do. Start with the helicopter.
What's a helicopter?
Start it slow, and once you get the rhythm going.
Alexandra.
I don't want to film. I'm tired. Let's
What?
film.
Wait.
I don't want to film this. Turn it off.
Wait. What happened?
I'm just really fucking grossed out. Some guy just tried to lick my boob. My first lap dance, some guy tried to lick my tit. And
In the middle of the dance?
Yeah. I want to be done with this.
Okay.
Hey, what are you ladies doing over there?
Nothing. Leave us alone.
You guys trying to shoot a porno?
Fuck off, asshole.
What the fuck did you just say to me, you little bitch?
Just get the fuck away from us.
I'm coming over there. You don't talk to me like
Just
that.
go back. Let's go. Let's go.
I just wonder how the girls do it, and then they go home alone, you know, and sleep in bed alone. Like, I feel like a wimp because all I want to do is just like just have someone I love hug me, you know, it just feels so gross. You know, I guess you just get desensitized probably. It's not something I'm used to. So I don't really know how to cope with it.
Tomorrow we're going home.
I'm ready.
I'm gonna miss this place in a weird way.
Yeah, me too. I think I realized that a big part of this job is being a counselor.
And how hard this job can really be. I mean, I think people should really let go of their judgments around it. So what should we do next?
Become nuns.
How do we do?
Good, good. Proud of you girls.